Alright, this day I want us to look into Catizen. Welcome to my channel. For people who don't know how to play the Alright, this day I want us to talk about Catizen. So welcome to my channel. If you find it difficult to play Catizen game, here is a place you will learn everything about it. Remember, Catizen is one of the top projects backed by Tom blockchain. You have Catizen, you have Hamster, you have Bloom, you have TaskSwap. These are the 4 top projects everyone who is into airdropping should be serious with. Alright, okay. Now I've opened my Catizen bot. You understand, this is the dashboard. First of all, this is my offline earnings. Just be following along. You see it here written offline earnings. So I will pay 1,000 fish to collect this amount, or I'll collect this amount free of charge. So what do? I'm not paying the 1,000 fish, so I'll click on collect free. Alright, okay, it's processing. What I have here is seven okay, I click free again. I select free. Okay, alright, I've collected that. What I have here is 748 fish. It's not 1,000. I've been using some in doing other things. So here now you are going to perform these tasks. Okay, yeah, I'm a bot user. Okay, that's why I have this 5 fish given to me. I'm on the channel. Yeah, I connect my Twitter 100, so it goes on like that. You check in every day, but it takes some time, so I don't do this. You take a turn from your wallet. This one I'm yet to do as well, so you keep on going. All right, okay. So now every day what I do is I come here, log into Catizen, I select it. I've gained that one. Okay, daily purchase. No, I don't purchase anything for now. Daily invite. I don't think I've invited anybody today. So official page, I click on it. It will load. Forget that I'm making it faster for the video. Alright, when you click it, it will load. After loading, so I cut off some side of the listing that are not important. So you join the Telegram group and engage. Okay, so that's that one. If I click on daily invite, it will click off my, yeah, you do all the tasks. Alright, then you go back using this button here. Alright, now let's go back to the main dashboard. This is the main dashboard right now. This is the main dashboard. Okay, now since you see here, I off my sound here. If I click it, you'll be hearing sound, but I don't want it. You want to buy anything from fishing, you go here, you come here to join a group. Alright, you join a squad. Okay, I want to be fast about this. Spinning, you come here to spin. Alright, you spin. Now this is how many cat tokens I'm getting in a second. This is my balance. Remember, when my balance goes up, I use it to generate cards so as to play the game. So when I generate the cards, my balance will go down, while my profit per second will increase. This is the leaderboard. Okay, now let's move. Shop is where you buy stores. N is that place we just left now, where you get fish per task. That's where you perform task. Where this is invite. Okay, I think everything is clear now. Let's look into how to play the game. Mine is, I don't think there is a current mine going on now. Okay, let me make it longer. Fish. Okay, it's loading. I clicked on fish. It's like network is what is telling me. I don't understand. It's not loading. The thing is, oh, sorry. My screen recorder is writing instead of it's writing instead of tapping. Okay, I've missed this thing. There is a bonus that came on the screen now I missed because of this. Alright, sorry about that. So you click on fish, you see what you have there. Oh, I just missed the bonus now. It's loading. So this is it. Understand? If you want to buy this, what you buy from fish, you see people buying. Okay, then you go to mine after fish. Sound, voice is where you off this sound or you on it. You go to voice. Mine, it's loading. Okay, these ones are completed. They are completed tasks. This, why this is my asset. These are my assets. You go back here, you join the next one up there. You join a particular squad. Yeah, I joined this one. This is the one I'm on. Okay. N, we have done N. I think every other thing, referral is invite. Everything now. So let's move. You see this showing me to drag this card from this card. Watch here. You see it. Now if I drag the two cards together, it will merge to give me 7. See, I merged it. The 6 plus 6 is giving me 7. I'll now merge this 6, 7. I'll merge this 6, 7. Okay. Now if I merge this 6, 7. Alright. I merge 7, 7. It will be 8. I don't know whether you get what I'm doing. Now I'm going to merge this 7 and 7. Alright. If I merge this 7 and 7, it give me 8. Alright. So I merge 7, 7, 8. So I'm going to merge this 8 and this 8 to give me 9. When it gives me 9, I will merge the 9 to this 9 to give me 10. Let's move. So I merge 9, 9. 8, 8 giving me 9. Remember that everything I merge, my profits per second is increasing. Okay, even here, but this balance will reduce only when I generate cards, because I'm lacking cards already now. So when I finish merging these ones I will have to generate if I want. If I generate, I will play more to get more profit per second. But if I don't generate, I'll have more balance. You understand? It's a game you play with your head, so you know when you need to be generating. If it's about to launch, you can stop generating and build your balance. This is for me to get more profit in a very short time. So let me say in 10 hours I'll be having millions of tokens like the one I claimed when I opened this app. Okay, so let's move. Alright, so I match 99 giving me 10. Okay, so I match 77 giving me 8. I match 66 giving me 7. It's dropping under card for me. Okay, 66 giving me 7. Now 77 giving me 8. 88 giving me 9. So I can place the 9 here. Okay, now you see that I'm lacking coins now. I'm lacking what is it called, cards. So I can generate by clicking here. I'll be generating 7 at level 7. Let me generate. The more I click, the more my balance reduces. Now I generate 1. I just click once. See a bonus now. This green frog. See it here. So I'm going to rush and click here. I missed the first one, so I'm going to click it. Alright, you see, it's a boost. I've collected it. Okay, so I continue playing. I match 6 and 6, match 7 and 7. Now I need more cards, so I will generate more. My balance is reducing, so I don't have enough kitty again to play. I don't have enough. I can't generate any more for now. So what I'm going to do, I'll match 7 7 to give me 8. I match 8 8 to give me 9. Be looking at my balance, my profit per second. You see my profit per second. It was 70 something when I started, but now look at it. Anyone I match, my profit per second will increase. Don't bother about my balance. So far the launch time is still far, or I have a little time. I can build it up using this. Okay, so I match 99 giving me 10. I match 10 10 giving me 11. I match 11 11 giving me 12. My profit per second is now 80,000. Alright, so I move. So 66 giving me 7, 66 giving me 7, now 7 7 giving me 8. At this juncture, I think I will be stopping this one. So next thing I will show you is that whenever you see these things having this red dot, that means there is an offer for you there. So you tap them to take the offer. I'll start by clicking the feed. You see a free one there, so I will select it. See the free one here. Alright, see it. So I'm selecting the free one. Okay, yeah, I've collected that. I click here to go back. I click here to go back. I'm doing this video for people who are still novice in this. Okay, I now match 6 6 to give me 7. I match 7 7 to give me 8. 8 8 to give me 9. Yeah, I'll leave that there. My balance profit per second is now 81,000. So what do I do? So you see what it will take me now to generate. It's taking me 1.499 million to generate a card. It's expensive, you see. So now I click on the next place. I click on, I'm having a red dot, is N. Remember I told you, check here. So I'm clicking on end right now. So we see what offer we missed. Maybe I invited someone. Okay, and let's check it. There's an offer. I guess it should be daily invite, but I don't want to. I will do it last. Okay, I'll do it last, so it will not take off this app and I'll start afresh. Then we go to the next thing I'm showing you. Let's try auto and see. No, I'm not buying anything. We go then we now go to Spain. I've been getting offers from this Spain. You spin and you win, So right now I click on Spain. Oh, I've spent already, and I need just one diamond. I need just one spin to claim these $2. That's what I earned. But mind you, when you do it, you get these $2, but it will convert it to CAT and the dollar token. It will be added in your asset, not in dollar, but in Catizen token. So we now move. I will leave. It asks me if I want to leave now. I'll click on leave now. Alright, this is airdrop bonus I got, so I click it. Everywhere is filled up. Now I have to start merging. I merge. It's a bonus I got now. I merge. Okay, so I merge 7777 and I merge. See that frog again? I tap it. I claim it. Alright, I merge 88. I merge 99, giving me 10. Okay, I think that is that for now. So then this is the leaderboard, but I want to go and claim. See this guy I missed before. Yeah, I get it. Okay, that is that for today. That is that. So we come to the end of this video. I'll be dropping. I have another feed. I'll be dropping free one. I take it. My video, the link to this Catizen in the comment section. So I will urge everyone seeing this video to make sure you are on Catizen. So far you are doing airdrop and you want to make money from Tom blockchain, ensure you are on Catizen. It is a very powerful project that you don't want to miss. I think I've exhausted everything you will be asking me about here. But if you have any question, feel free. You can join my WhatsApp group. From there, you get my contact and ask me questions. Okay, that's it. Let me just use this one to exit. The invite, but I don't think I got it. I said it. Okay. Alright. See you next time.